Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in the day 367, and as we were discussing regarding the questions related to PhD defense, so we'll start with our first point, that is introduction section. The questions that could be asked in the PhD defense seminar related to your introduction section. So first, just observe the questions. Then I will suggest the answers also. Now, question number 1 could be, what is the motivation behind your research? What is the motivation behind your research? Second question could be, in what way your research is contributing to the existing knowledge? Okay. Third question could be, how could your contribution accomplish your research objectives? Okay, understood all the questions? So what you have to do when in PhD defense seminar, the experts ask questions, don't get nervous. Okay, have control on your nerves. Just listen to the question properly and then think on it and understand the question. Don't just give any answer because it will leave a very bad impression. Okay, just try to understand that what is the question, then you can take your time and then give the justified answer. Okay, now let's talk about the first question. What is the motivation behind your research? Your answer for this question must clearly address the driving force that pushed you towards the selection of the research topic. Why you have selected that particular topic. Okay, understood that? Now, next question. Next question is, in what way your research is contributing to the existing knowledge? So you have to explain that what new or improved contribution is involved in your research in simple language. Okay, so you have to explain that what new or improved contribution is involved in your research. Now, next question. How could your contribution accomplish your research objectives? Now, you must have understood that what are the research objectives based on my previous dosage. Now, the answer of this question must contain your planned approach to address all listed research objectives till the end of your project. Okay, understood the answer? My suggested answer, that you have to just answer that how you have planned your research in such a way that till the end of your project you would be solving all your research objectives. A researcher is expected to maintain the decency. Don't forget that. Okay? If you don't know the answer, if you are confused, you can ask for the time and just address the question in a decent manner. And I will repeat in every dosage related to the questions related to PhD defense, the lecture series, that every researcher must adopt the mindset of improvement and habit of careful listening. Okay, without interrupting. Without any interruption, you have to listen carefully. And then afterwards, you can put your suggestions also. You can put your justification also. There's no harm in that, in a decent manner. And that's why you can find the questions of the video slides. Okay, questions, you can just find the questions on the video slides, but you don't have the answers written on that. Why? Because I want you all to listen carefully for the suggested answers of the listed questions. I want your listening power to be enhanced. Work hard. Thanks a lot.